Hello. Next I will be replacing the 24-volt power supply. The tools we will be using are cross screwdrivers, 3mm hex wrench. Firstly, power off the device. We will be using a 3mm hex wrench. Remove the 5 screws of the cover plate. Then, remove the cover. This is the 24-volt power supply. Open the cover. Then remove the 4 screws with the cross screwdriver. Then unplug all the wires. Then use a 3mm hex wrench. Remove the 2 securing screws on the left and right. Remove the 24-volt power supply. Get a new 24-volt power supply. Firstly, fasten the 3 securing screws. Connect the blue head yellow wire to the topmost terminal. Connect to blue head black wire to the second terminal. Connect red head yellow wire to the 5th terminal. Connect red head black wire to the second last terminal. 24-volt power supply replacement completed. After replacement, reinstall the right cover. After tightening the screw, the entire replacement process is completed.